Hey guys, this afternoon I decided to take some time away from the office and invest some time in me, getting outside and enjoying the outdoors. For me, that's really important. So I've come to a nature reserve called Holme Fen in the east of England. This 657 acre site is managed by an organisation called Natural England, as well as loads of trees, ferns, bushes, all kinds of different plants, some fantastic wildlife. I've seen roe deer and I've seen muntjac deer already. There are also over 500 different species of fungi, mushrooms. So for somebody like me that really gets off on mushrooms, this is a fantastic place to be. Now also here, right here at Holme Fen, is, let me get this right, the lowest place in Great Britain above ground but below sea level. So you're 2.75 meters below sea level without going into a cave and without putting on scuba gear. I just stopped just for 2 or 3 minutes. It always pays to stop and just watch, because then nature happens around you and it's a good opportunity to learn. And as I stood there, I realized that probably 3, maybe even 4 meters away was a small family of muntjac. So they watched me, I watched them, and eventually they decided to scuttle off. But what an amazing place. So there's no way I'm going to cover 657 acres in a couple of hours, but the main thing I came to see were these posts, 2.75 meters below sea level. So I think it's just time to sit down and have a coffee. No fires here. It's a good old trusty thermos flask. Cheers. Getting outside doesn't have to be about climbing mountains, walking up big hills, orienteering, cycling, pushing yourself to the limits. Getting outside can be just taking time to get out and enjoy this wonderful world that we live in. You know, from mountains to valleys to the lowest point in the whole of Great Britain, coastlines, whatever. Just get outside, enjoy it. Whatever your motivation is, just have fun. Here's an ultra simple navigation hack. If you're on a journey and you're going to go back by the same route, every so often stop and look back, because then you know what the return journey will look like.